Hi friends, this is Barbara and I'm back with another crockpot meal. Okay, so this is going to be barbecue chicken. This is just 2 ingredients. We're keeping it easy breezy today, okay? So this is what I did. I took 3 chicken breasts. You can use chicken tenderloins, but I took 3 chicken breasts. I did cut mine up like that. So, oh, and I greased my, you can see how shiny it is inside. I greased my crock pot. Okay, and that's your first ingredient. And here's your second ingredient. I already had some barbecue sauce. We're just going to pour that barbecue sauce in here. Okay, I think that might be enough. So that might be like maybe half a bottle, okay? Because I already had some used out of this container. So I would say, and you know, too, go with your taste. Use the barbecue sauce that you like, okay? Okay, pop your lid on. Set it to high for 4 hours. I will be right back. Okay, and that's what it looks like when it's done. We're going to we're going to shred that. Okay, and that's what it looks like when it's done. I am going to put mine on King's Hawaiian sweet bread. That's a roll. And this is something else I'm going to do. I bought some coleslaw. You could either put the coleslaw on the side, have it as a side, or you could just put it right on the sandwich. Okay, that's what I like to do. Let's taste that, see how that works. That is great. Okay, friends, if you make this, you let me know. Also, let me know if you would change things up because I like to get some ideas. Okay, and also, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more recipes, subscribe, please. Keep on cooking. Love you guys.